Be nice. Alright guys, this is the potatoes. Those lovely looking potatoes that we had earlier. This is all that's left. Now this is when we dig them up. And I will start to dig in a minute and I'll get right back to you. Here I'm at the base of the plant. I'm about to dig it up gently, not to bruise any of the potatoes. As you can see, there's potatoes coming right out of the ground right here. So what I'll do is I'll just gently dig around here, see what I find. Not finding any more here. And that's as far down as my finger. The only thing is this right here. It's a little small potato. This will be what will give me volunteers next year if I don't try to get them all out. Because I don't want volunteers in this spot. But so far, I'm getting a couple. Got the nice rich soil, but not too many potatoes. Yep, here's one. And small potatoes though. Kind of small. I think this is the superior right here. Alright, here's my volunteers if I don't get them out. More little potatoes. Hate to have to do this by hand, but to save what potatoes I do have, doing it by hand is the preferred method. Alright, this is what I got. Very disappointed. Very disappointed. This is the second year for potatoes, trying potatoes, and it don't seem to be doing something right because I'm not getting a good yield. So, I guess I'm going to have to do some research, and we'll see what else. Alright, well, that's the life of a gardener. Alright, be nice.